If you have NPM installed, there's a little known NPM command that helps navigate quickly to the repository on GitHub. So like npm repo is the name of the command, and you can give it a package name, like say Lodash, and oops, it opened up on a different browser. Let me bring it over here. All right, so it launched this for me. Actually, here, I'll just do it again. I'll do it with something else. React. All right, so it launches this for you. If you have GitHub, actually no. So now you can just hit the period on your keyboard when you're on any repo, and it takes you to the GitHub Codespace. So if you're used to Visual Studio Code, it's that similar experience, right? You have your command palette. You can jump around and navigate, and I don't know, it feels like home if you're a Visual Studio Code user. And it's just a very nice experience to browse the code without having to clone it. Other thing is, when I switched to the Codespace, it just changed the URL from like .com to dev. So now I could send this to anybody, and it'll take them straight to the Codespace. So that's kind of nice. You got a direct link there. Other thing about the npm repo command, if you're in a repository, a node project that has a package JSON, you don't have to give it, if you just say npm repo, it should take you to the current one from the directory context you're in. Again, I can enter the Codespace if I want, and in fact I'll show you how that works. So if I go to my package JSON, the only reason that works is if as long as the project enters this repository section in the package.json that tells it, it's a Git repository and the URL. Maybe it only needs the URL, I don't know. But if you have this section, which most published packages will, then the npm repo trick will work. Occasionally it doesn't work. It's because the package JSON is missing this setting.